Hi and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a long video on WhatsApp status. First thing you need to do is go to Play Store, then search for Video Splitter, scroll down and select this one. Click on Install and wait for the app to be installed. And when it's done, click Open. Now click Allow and then Import Video. Here you can find all your videos, and for today I will select this one. Here you have two options to split in 15 seconds and 30 seconds. Here you can custom split. With this bar you can select how many seconds your videos will be, and also trim, where you can select when the video starts and when the video ends. For this example I would leave it like that. Go to split, select 30 seconds and then click save. Here you can choose a quality. For today I'll go with 1920p and then click start. Click on allow and wait for the video to be splitted in 30 seconds. After it's done, click on view files, and here you can find your videos in 3 parts. Click on share all, click on WhatsApp, and then my status. Click on the arrow on the bottom, and then click send. Now if you access WhatsApp, go to status, and you can see sending 3 on my status. Click on the circle and the video is split into 3. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.